Hi, this is the digital avatar of Iris Kaminer. If you're a product manager, AI workflows might be the single biggest productivity boost you'll get this year. AI workflows can automate hours of repetitive work, keep your data flowing between tools, and free you up to focus on strategy instead of busy work. An AI workflow is like a recipe, a fixed set of steps that runs the same way every time. It's perfect for predictable, repeatable tasks like collecting data, processing it, adding AI intelligence, and sending a report. The best part? You don't have to be a developer. Platforms like N8N, Zapier, and Make.com let you visually build workflows by connecting apps, data, and AI models. I personally use N8N as it is known as the most configurable AI workflow platform. Now, I know all this sounds great in theory, but the real question is, what does it actually look like in practice? Let me give you a few concrete examples of how I, and other product managers, use AI-powered workflows to save time, stay prepared, and get smarter insights. Each of these examples started as a repetitive task I used to do manually, and is now something that runs on autopilot and saves me lots of time. Meeting preparation workflow. Think about how you prep for a customer meeting. Normally, you'd read through emails to find recent interactions, check LinkedIn for the person's profile, and latest posts. That's at least 30 minutes of work. Now imagine a workflow that does it all for you, every time, then gives you a ready-to-go briefing doc before the meeting starts. Customer feedback monitoring workflow, or take customer sentiment. Your users are probably talking on Reddit, Slack groups, or forums. Instead of manually checking every day, a workflow can automatically scrape discussions, highlight trends, and even summarize top complaints or praises into a daily digest. Let's deep dive now into two workflows and see how exactly they were built in N8N. Here's a real AI workflow I built, a job tracker for someone not actively job hunting, but wants to stay updated on exceptional rare job opportunities. The job tracker workflow starts with Apify. Apify specializes in pulling data from platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Reddit, and X.com, and many others. In this workflow, I created a jobs filter in Apify that filters out only local jobs relevant for me. Apify then scrapes LinkedIn with the relevant job listings and provides the results. Once the data is in my N8N workflow, it goes to an AI agent that compares each job description to my CV and assigns a match score. Match scores range from 4 the highest score to 1 the lowest score. The AI agent in the workflow decides on the match score after comparing the LinkedIn job listing description and my CV description. In addition, the agent provides an explanation why he selected the given score and writes a cover letter that I then use if I want to apply to the job. All job listings are added to a Google Sheet for tracking. Here you can see the Google Sheet updated by the N8N workflow. But only the top matches, scores 3 and 4, trigger an automated email alert, so you're only notified about high-matched, interesting opportunities. How exciting is that? Competitive analysis, another powerful AI workflow I built in N8N, is competitor analysis. You enter a company name, and in minutes, you get a competitive report tailored for product managers. I've built this in 3 ways. First, using Firecrawl to scrape the web, then sending results to an AI model. Second, using Perplexity with built-in search. Third, using ChatGPT-5 with search. Both the Perplexity and ChatGPT-5 options are used with an OpenRouter node. OpenRouter lets you route requests to different LLMs using a single OpenRouter license. The benefits are twofold. First, you don't need to buy separate LLM licenses just to make API calls. Second, it's easy to compare results from different AI models to see which works best for your task. In all cases, the final competitive analysis report is stored in Google Docs, ready to share with your team or reference in meetings. Here we see a company analysis report targeting product managers that looks for product and finance updates, customer inputs, and SWOT analysis. As product managers, we spend countless hours on repetitive tasks, preparing for meetings, researching competitors, and monitoring feedback. But a lot of that work can be automated. That's why mastering AI workflow creation is so powerful. With AI agents, workflows don't just save time, they add intelligence. The best part? You don't have to rely on engineers or analysts. You can build these workflows yourself. In a fast moving market, this independence is a career superpower. The PMs who master workflows aren't just more efficient, they're more proactive, better informed, and always one step ahead. Start small. Start with one workflow and watch how quickly it transforms the way you work.